Imagine a space where nostalgia meets modern charm, where cozy floral patterns, vintage furniture, and soft lighting come together to create something truly magical. Welcome to the world of Granny Chic, also known as Grandmacore, the trend that's sweeping fashion, home decor, and even lifestyles. In this video, we'll explore how to embrace this vintage-inspired, yet refreshingly modern aesthetic. From timeless home decor tips to trendy outfits, I'll show you why Grandmacore is here to stay. Stay with me until the end for expert advice on how to add your own modern twist to this timeless style. Granny Chic, or Grandmacore, is an aesthetic that celebrates the charm and warmth of vintage style but gives it a modern twist. Unlike traditional vintage styles, Granny Chic is all about blending comfort, nostalgia, and individuality into a unique, eclectic look. It's not just about wearing or decorating with old-fashioned pieces. It's about embracing elements that feel like home, whether that's a floral patterned dress, a knitted blanket, or a teapot collection. The appeal of Granny Chic lies in its emotional connection. For many, it reminds them of childhood visits to their grandparents' home, filled with handmade items, cozy furniture, and a slower pace of life. It's not just about style, it's about creating a space or a wardrobe that feels personal, comforting, and authentic. Examples of Granny Chic are everywhere. In fashion, you'll find floral dresses, pearl necklaces, and chunky knitted sweaters. In home decor, it's about vintage furniture, lace curtains, and carefully curated collections of knickknacks. Even everyday objects like teacups with intricate patterns or embroidered tablecloths become part of the Granny Chic charm. The Granny Chic aesthetic is a perfect blend of timeless vintage elements and modern adaptability. Let's break down the essentials that make this style so unique and versatile. First, fashion is at the heart of Granny Chic. Floral patterns are a staple. Think long, flowing dresses, delicate blouses, or even scarves adorned with classic floral prints. Knitted sweaters and cardigans, whether hand-knitted or thrifted, add a cozy, layered look. Accessories like brooches, pearls, and vintage handbags complete the ensemble, giving it a polished yet nostalgic feel. And let's not forget comfortable fabrics like linen and cotton that are as practical as they are stylish. What makes Granny Chic so appealing is its versatility. This isn't just a style for older generations. It's been embraced by people of all ages and body types. Whether you're dressing up for a special occasion or keeping it casual, Granny Chic has something for everyone. For younger generations, it's about mixing these vintage elements with modern pieces, like pairing a floral skirt with sneakers or layering a chunky cardigan over a sleek dress. Incorporating Granny Chic into your wardrobe is easier than you think. Start small by adding vintage accessories, maybe a lace scarf or a statement brooch. Experiment with layering to achieve that cozy, lived-in look. Even a simple floral print dress paired with modern boots can instantly elevate your style while paying homage to this timeless aesthetic. Granny Chic isn't just a fashion trend. It's a way to transform your home into a cozy, nostalgic haven. This home decor style focuses on creating spaces that feel warm, welcoming, and full of personality, with a perfect balance of vintage charm and modern practicality. Start with vintage furniture pieces. Look for items like a well-worn wooden dresser, an antique armchair with floral upholstery, or even a retro coffee table. These pieces instantly bring a sense of history and character to your space. If you're on a budget, consider visiting thrift stores or estate sales to find one-of-a-kind treasures. Textiles play a huge role in Granny Chic home decor. Think about layering spaces with crocheted throws, embroidered cushions, or lace curtains. Vintage textiles like these not only add visual interest, but also create a sense of comfort and warmth. Don't be afraid to mix patterns. Florals, checks, and even subtle stripes can work together beautifully to achieve that eclectic, lived-in feel. Lighting is another key element. Soft, ambient lighting from table lamps or vintage chandeliers can completely change the mood of a room. Avoid harsh overhead lights and opt for warm-toned bulbs to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Candles are also a fantastic touch, adding both light and a romantic vibe to the space. Finally, focus on curated collections. Whether it's a set of vintage teacups, antique picture frames, or a shelf of classic books, these items help tell a story about you and your personality. The goal is to surround yourself with things that bring you joy and comfort. Remember, Granny Chic is all about creating a home that feels lived in and loved. Granny Chic isn't just about fashion or decor. It's a lifestyle that encourages us to slow down, embrace simplicity, and find joy in the little things. At its core, the Granny Chic lifestyle is about appreciating traditions, nurturing creativity, and prioritizing comfort over fast-paced trends. Start by embracing a slower pace of life. Take inspiration from traditional hobbies like knitting, gardening, baking, or even writing letters by hand. These activities not only bring a sense of accomplishment, but also allow you to connect with yourself and others in meaningful ways. Imagine spending an afternoon crafting a knitted scarf or tending to a blooming garden. It's a refreshing escape from the digital world. Self-care is another cornerstone of the Granny Chic lifestyle. Think cozy evenings with a cup of tea wrapped in a warm blanket while reading your favorite book. It's about indulging in small comforts that nourish the soul. Lighting a scented candle, listening to soft music, or journaling can all be part of this nurturing routine. Incorporating vintage traditions into your modern life can also be incredibly rewarding. Try reviving family recipes or hosting an old-fashioned tea party with friends. Decorate your table with lace doilies, vintage china, and freshly picked flowers for an authentic Granny Chic experience. These simple yet thoughtful touches create lasting memories and foster a sense of community. Finally, the Granny Chic lifestyle encourages individuality and authenticity. It's not about following trends blindly. It's about curating a life that feels uniquely yours. By combining modern elements with vintage charm, you can create a life that's both stylish and meaningful. Granny Chic and Grandmacore are more than just aesthetics. They're a celebration of comfort, nostalgia, and individuality in both style and lifestyle. Whether it's floral dresses, vintage furniture, or embracing the joy of simpler times, this trend reminds us that blending the old with the new creates something truly timeless. By adding your personal touch, you can make this aesthetic uniquely yours. If you've enjoyed this journey into the world of Granny Chic and Grandmacore, don't forget to show your support. Subscribe to the Design Lounge for more exciting home and lifestyle ideas. Hit the like button if this video inspired you, and share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're incorporating this charming trend into your life. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy designing.